Let me show you how to add aliases in Linux machine. So you need to make use of any one of the text editor. Here I'm using gedit. So open this .bash rc file using gedit. Don't touch anything from starting line till here. As I want to add alias here, this is the thing, and this is the format that you need to follow. So what this will do is, so every time you type L in your terminal, it will run ls space -1. So this will list all your files in single column format. Let me see. So save this, Control S, Control Q to quit. So simply source bash rc. If you type ls, it will come like this. If you type L, it will show in a single column. So this is the way how you can add aliases in your Linux machine.